Hey guys, we have 5 plus 3 minus 2 times 4 squared. 5 plus 3 equals 8, right? Minus 2 times 4 squared. Now 8 minus 2 equals 6 times 4 squared. Now 6 times 4 squared equals 4 times 4 equals 16. So 16, and now 6 times 16 equals and 96. This gives us 96, but this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Exponents must be done before subtraction. The exponents applies only to 4, not to the whole expression. Now let's solve it correctly. Solve again. Okay, so 5, parenthesis first, 5 plus 3 equals 8, right? Minus 2 times 4 squared. Now exponent 8 minus 2 times 4 squared, 4 times 4 equals 16. Yes. Now step 3, multiply, right? 2 times 16. 8 minus 2 times 16 equals 32, right? Now 8 minus 32 equals minus 24.